Hey guys, welcome to the space that I'm in most frequently in my house, my kitchen. And we love showing you guys how to build things, giving you free plans, but we thought today it would be fun to actually come inside Ashley's house and show you around a little bit. So grab your camera. I did, I have my Whitney cam. We're gonna take a little stroll and go see this place. Follow us into the breakfast nook. So this space I love because it has a bay window, and I knew right when we built this house that I wanted to do kind of a built-in eating area. So I started with this round table. A lot of people ask, do you have a round table plan? We have several round table plans, but everything that Whitney and I show you, we're gonna link to the plans in the description box below, so I won't have to keep repeating myself. Let's show them the base. So this table right here, Ashley made a really cool base for it, and you can see how beefy and chunky it is. We like things beefy. And chunky. And how much was this table, Ash? Oh, it was probably like under $100, I think, for all the wood. I think it's mostly 2x that I built it with. There might be one 1x board, so it's super cheap, really inexpensive. So cute, and I love the combination of the white and the stain too. And the chairs are super cute. I think they were a Wayfair find. These chairs are a Wayfair find. They're really big. I love them because they're wood and metal, but they're so big and they're actually comfortable to sit in, even though they're hard. So these are awesome. We'll link to those. At Home has them too. Yeah, they do. Just thought about that. That's right. So moving on, we've got the built-in bench, and this is kind of a specific plan because if you don't have a bay window, you can't do this, but we did get the legs from Osborne, and you could do a bench any shape. It just doesn't have back legs on it because it's attached to the wall, like our floating shelves. You can fit so many people in there. You can fit a lot of people on it. I love it. Yeah. So when we have people over, we can all just kind of like huddle in here. So, you want to talk about the sign? Yes, so here's Ashley's Home Sweet Home sign, and we actually did a video on this. We'll be linking below. This is a simple sign. We did the transfer using a projector. We'll also link to that. Yeah. And it's a really fun video, and it gives you lots of options to make big signs for your house. Takes up a lot of space, and it didn't take a whole lot of time or money, so we love that. That's key. Ash, you forgot the cute pillows. Oh yes, we'll get questions about pillows. Where we get the pillows, most of these are from either At Home or Target. So we'll put links if we can still find them there, but I got them about a year ago. And let's talk about that light since it's right there. Yes, this light, I love it so much. I got this light when we built the house, and I love it because it's just a giant lantern. It's from Ballard. Again, we'll link to that, but it gives off plenty of light. It's got 4 lights. I love it. So here's a question. This is your breakfast area. Do you only eat breakfast in here? No, I eat every meal here almost. Yeah, and actually my dogs try to climb up there and get the food too because they have like a little jump thing. I wonder why they call it the breakfast nook then. I know, because we eat more than just breakfast. Yeah. I've had lunch there. I've had dinner there. All the meals. Some of the snacks I've had there. All right, moving on into the larger part of the kitchen, the island. Yes, I love this island. Before, I renovated my kitchen about a year ago, and it was a 2-level island, so we leveled all of that. We've got, this is quartz from Cambria, and it's Torquay. I love it so much. We've got the black finish, and then the paint color on the cabinets. I get this question all the time. This is Urbane Bronze by Sherwin-Williams. I love it because it's not quite, it's like the perfect gray with a hint of black. It's so good. Kind of charcoal-y. It's dark, it's pretty. Yeah. And then I wanted to kind of mix up and not have everything dark over here. And so I went ahead and I removed the front cabinets. This is actually a cabinet right here. And I just put a front on it and painted it. Sneaky. I like that. Yeah. Oh, look right there. Let's talk about these floors. You'll get lots of questions about the floors. It's by Quick Step. Indique by Quick Step. That's actually what it is. I'll link to it. But the best thing about these floors is that they are laminate. They look like hardwood, but they're 24-hour spill resistant. So you can spill on them. We've got a swimming pool. Yeah, we've got a swimming pool, and so the kids were always coming in with like wet bathing suits, and it's so perfect for that. Cute boots too. Oh, and thanks. Hardware. We found this great hardware on Amazon. We'll be linking to that. Super cheap, but they look expensive, which is our game. It's good. And everything up on this counter is either from West Elm, Pottery Barn, or Target. Lots of Target. I love it all. Backsplash. Backsplash is, it came in like a mesh of 4 big arabesque tiles, and we'll link to that. We got it locally, but I'll find some similar on maybe Amazon or Wayfair or something. Now let's talk about this cute guy right here. Let's talk about this. Whitney helped me build this guy. I did. we have a video on it and we'll be sharing that. This is a really fun way to decorate a wall and have storage as well. Yeah, and I like this because this walkway right here, it's a good sized walkway, but I didn't want something sticking out from it because we're in our kitchen all the time and the kids would hit it. So this only sticks off the wall about 5 inches. Which and great news, coming in June, we've done a modification of this and it will be available at home stores. So if you don't want to build it, you can go buy it. I get questions about my lights all the time. They're from Amazon. I'm gonna be honest and say that I had to buy a couple of them because they came in broken, but I love them. They work great. So we'll link to those too. And last but not least, where all my morning magic happens, is my coffee bar. I didn't build anything in there, but I've set it up to be a coffee bar with some apothecaries and K-cups and my Keurig. So that is where I start my morning every morning. You would have a dedicated coffee spot in your house. It's an important part of my day. So that's it. Yeah, I know. Thanks guys for stopping by. Be sure to subscribe. You don't want to miss any more house tours, Whitney cams, or buildings. Bye.